Hi friends and welcome back to my channel. So I am today standing in my college after 8 months. So you would be interesting to know that in which college I am studying. So here is a look. So you can see this is my college and this college is in Delhi JLN Stadium. Raja what we call? JLN में कहाँ पे है? ये कॉलेज का नाम मेरा कॉलेज का नाम भूल गया. तो ये कॉलेज का नाम है दयाल सिंह कॉलेज. तो आप देख सकते हैं कितना बड़ा ग्राउंड है. सम कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क इज गोइंग ऑन देयर. सो यू कैन सी दिस whole of the college. Such a big building. Here some uncle and aunts are working over there gardening. So you can see this is the whole lot. And here is my canteen which is closed. So these are the classes. Everything is locked. So see, this is the class in which I used to study. Room number 104. So you can see this is a very beautiful place. This is the big tree and all of that. So you can see these are all the classes and the big lawn. And this is the amphitheater. Oh my god, यादें ताज़ा हो गई. Amphitheater जहाँ बैठ के हम गप्पे हाँकते थे. This is all of the stuff. And this is the whole of the building. वैसे आपको पता है कि मुझे 8 महीने हो गए. 8 महीने के बाद आई हैव लेफ्ट माई होम, केम सो फार वेयर दयाल सिंह कॉलेज एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू कट माई केक नाउ. So can you see this? So beautiful plants. The man is watering there and such a bright sun. It's all lovely memories I have made in this past 2 to 3 years. This is all such beautiful, and this is a very big ground where I'm going to just cut my cake. Today's day is, I guess, very special, very very special. So I am done and I'm reached here. Hi my family, so today is my birthday and this is the cake these two guys have bought. So let's dive into it and cut it.
Happy birthday Amit.
Thank you. एडिट करने में कुछ नहीं होगा. कैसे करेंगे? खोलूं कैसे?
वाह, हमें कुछ सर
अरे यार,
Not your birthday party. It's your
तुझे
100th
साले
birthday.
तुझे ओपन करना चाहिए था. तो खड़े होकर देख रहा है.
so see, this is the cake they have bought and it looks so pretty. Nice sprinkles. What is this? Yellow papaya cake है क्या?
पाइनएप्पल.
अरे ये क्या लिखा है? युवा
100 सब्सक्राइब.
Subscribe.
100 कैसे पता चला? ये कैसे पता चला? 100 सब्सक्राइबर. अरे दिखा तो सही. 100 सब्सक्राइबर दिखा रहे हैं मुझे. ये देखिए युवा कुक्स भी लिखा है इसमें. मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ से इन्हें पता चला. 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं इसमें. कैसे पता चला? Please reveal the secret.
We are hardcore fans of Yuva Cooks. We
तो
learn too
इसे
much
बोल.
things from by this channel.
So देखो मेरे चैनल की बहुत वाह
He is such an inspiration for us.
कट करें?
हाँ, yes. Yes, yes.
फूकना वूकना मुझे कुछ नहीं है.
Okay.
हम फूकेंगे नहीं. कोरोना काल चल रहा है. ये अच्छा उल्टा पकड़ काट दूं.
I tried full अंग्रेजी बाजी in this video.
Okay, so let's cut the cake.
Okay.
Video is on. कोई गाएगा हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Amit. Happy birthday to Amit. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you.
अरे
बस
कट
भाई
नहीं रहा। नहीं नहीं चालू रखो चालू रखो। अरे नहीं समझ आ रहा मैं कैसे लूँ। ये तो पूरा वो है।
अबे तू
निकलेगा
काट जैसे
कैसे?
जैसे भी काट रहे हैं।
कट गया है कट तो गया है।
यहाँ पे इतने बड़े ये वो हैं यूट्यूबर, पता केक कैसे काटते हैं।
तो ये कौन खाएगा ये? Happy birthday, my 100 subscribers family. Thank you so much for preparing such a beautiful gift. So, थैंक यू सो मच। आपने मेरे 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स पूरे करे और मुझे 100 सब्सक्राइबर का गिफ्ट किसी और ने दिया मेरे बर्थडे के दिन। सो आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल एंड गॉड मुझे सब कुछ दे। आपको भी दे पर पहले मुझे दे। चलिए पॉज कीजिए। साथ में आ जाओ। आजा आजा।
मैं यहीं से बनाऊंगा।
मेरा बर्थडे है। थैंक यू।
आंटी कैसे हो आप लोग? बस कॉलेज की। आंटी आपको कुछ बोलना है तो बोल सकते हैं आप।
मेरे को बधाइयाँ दो। थैंक यू आंटी।
तरक्की करो।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू आंटी, आपको याद रखेंगे हम भी।
हाँ थैंक यू।
ले
So this is my college, Dayal Singh College. And here are some beautiful plants, palm plants. Chalo chalo. So here is a statue. From here you can zoom and see, guys. अरे तुमको ही भौंक रहे हैं। क्या हुआ बेटा? तुम्हारी दोस्त हैं। So here is the place where children come and practice over here. This is the whole big and empty. Now we reached Nehru Place, Epicuria. So this is how it looks from inside, with lot of chairs empty, green color chairs. Nice it looks. You also come and try it out. After so long, घूमने का मज़ा ही कुछ और आता है, तो आप यहाँ आ सकते हैं और लुत्फ़ उठा सकते हैं। Very quickly, this guy is doing all this. It's me waiting to receive the order in my hand because my mouth is watering. Oh God, that smell was so amazing of what have I ordered. So see, I am saying you hi and if you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the future notifications update. And here I received my order. Yippee! I received my order. So see, it is beautifully packed and he has written what all we have ordered. And we have got a drink as well. This fruit is called peri peri. See the stuffing. Yummalicious.
तुम अपना खोलो अब. And this is the drink.
हमारा अनबॉक्सिंग करने के
Unboxing करो अपना. Unbox. And this is aloo patty. आगे आगे.
इट्स नॉट आलू पैटी इट्स क्या
ये
है
आलू पेटी नहीं है.
Chicken tandoori.
चिकन तंदूरी.
Chicken tandoori tikka.
Sorry, it's a chicken tandoori.
विथ मल्टीग्रेन ब्रेड
With multi-grain.
इट्स अ हेल्दी डाइट
And this is for the vegetarian person. Why my tongue is slipping so much?
द ब्लैक शीप
Aloo tikka. Sorry, to
शुरू करें
You can see this is the peri peri chicken fry, and this is amazing. Like damn seriously, this is yum. So if I'm at Nehru Place, अगर आपको आना हो तो आप आके enjoy कर सकते हैं पेरी पेरी सबवे का. And this is the person here. This is Nikhil Pal, the vegetarian. And here it's me with a good peri peri. So I'll meet you guys after some time. So here we have some chicken fry, Pepsi, and here you can see the French fries. In Epicuria, there are different stalls of different names. Someone is Momos Wala, someone is fries. You can see here New York fries, Sagar Ratna, Wow Momo, Domino's, KFC, Burger, and many more. There are Subway, and we have tried 3. That's it. And some other day I'll come here and I'll try some different stuff. And we have also tried the Momo Wala. That was amazing. Yum. Thank you both of my friends Rahul and Nikhil for making this day wonderful and memorable. And thanks for the gift of Yuva Cook's 100 subscriber. And that vlogging was only done by Mr. Rahul, and a special thanks to him. So please like and subscribe.